Hey, so this is my storage unit, and it's pretty darn messy, mostly because I'm in and out of it a lot since it's acting as my current garage. So today it's raining and can't really ride the bike, so I'm going to try and clean out the unit and during the process show you my second project, 1984 GPZ550. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is a pretty big mess. I had a lot of high hopes on this project, but unfortunately time got the best of me. The last thing I was working on with this bike was the wiring and exhaust. I did get it to run for about a week or so, but definitely nothing rideable. Had some issues with the fuel mixture and exhaust, so naturally everything came back out and that's where I left it. I've got a few pictures I'll put up so you can get an idea of what it looked like when I first bought the bike. Bought the bike off Craigslist for $200 and actually got two for the price of one. Unfortunately, the second had a piston which had blown through the engine casing, so that one went straight to the scrapyard for $10. First thing I got myself into was tearing everything off the bike. I had always been planning on doing a monoshock cafe racer type build, so it was the perfect frame to start working on that bike since the monoshock was already stock. Since I know you guys are curious, here are a few videos of the project from when I had it running. So yeah, there you have it. As you can already tell, one of the first things I did was chop the rear subframe. I found a hoop off of eBay and just welded it on the back. All of the wiring centers around the seat pan, which features a custom upholstered seat which is stored away right now. The swing arm is from Germany since the original I had some mounts broken off, and the shock is completely new. Above the shock I've got an anti-gravity battery sitting right above it underneath the seat. The gas tank is not the original, and I couldn't really tell you where I got it from. It just came with the two bikes that I originally bought. The front end is from eBay as well, off of a salvage 2008 Suzuki GSX-R 750, which fits nicely with Cognito Moto's front end swap. Make sure to check them out if you're curious about doing this for your own builds. Anyways, that's about all I got. I'm going to clean out the rest of the unit and organize some tools I have laying around. I'm looking to make a tool pack for the Ducati Scrambler, so stay tuned for that video. Catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll try to keep cranking out these videos and get some more content out for you guys. Have a good one.